In the standard integrals, we have learned 6 particular functions of the form 1 by x square plus a square or minus a square, 1 by a square minus x square, or with the root 1 by root of x square minus a square, of that type, 6 type particular functions. So now that, for example, if we have a question like 1 by x square minus 16, it is of this particular format, 1 by x square minus a square, where a is 4, and we have the formula 1 by 2a log modulus x minus a by x plus a plus c. So that is a direct formula, isn't it? So today, now we are going to discuss how to convert 1 by ax square plus bx plus c, or 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c into this particular format. You can, when you examine these standard integrals, you can see that it consists of two perfect squares, x square, a square. Since a is a constant, we can make it as a perfect square always. X square, there is a perfect square, sum or difference of two perfect squares. So if it is not a perfect square, we are not given a perfect square, how to make a perfect square? Let us see this example. For 1 by 9x square, ax square plus bx plus c type, 9x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. So it is in the form of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so what are the steps involved? First, you convert the coefficient of x square into 1. Okay, coefficient, because here in this formula we have the coefficient of x square is 1. So what we will do, we will take 9 outside, 1 by 9 into x square plus 6 by 9x plus 5 by 9. Okay, now what is to be done? It is to be converted into the sum or difference of two perfect squares. So 1 by 9 leave outside. Let us take this x square plus 6 by 9 x plus 5 by 9. To convert it into perfect square, add and subtract square of half coefficient of x. What is half? The coefficient of x is 6 by 9. Half of that, it is half of 6 by 9, that is 3 by 9. So its square should be added and subtracted. So x square plus 6 by 9 x, half of this is 3 by 9, that is 1 by 3. Its square plus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9. Added and subtracted square of half coefficient of x. And we take these two together and these two together. What is this? This is a perfect square now. X plus 1 by 3 whole square. What is this? Plus 4 by 9. So it is plus 2 by 3 whole square. So we have converted this into the square of sum of two squares. So let us come back here. So integral of this is equal to integral of 1 by x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus 2. So it's 2 by 3 square whole square. Here we can apply the formula for 1 by x square plus a square, which we already know. So what is 1 by x square plus a square formula? 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So it is 1 by 9 into 1 by a. 1 by a means 2 by 3. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. X is your x plus 1 by 3 by a. A is your 2 by 3 plus c. So when you simplify, what you will get? 1 by 3 by 2. So it is 1 by 6 tan inverse 3x plus 1 numerator by 3, 2 by 3. So that 3 cancel, 3x plus 1 by 2 plus c. So this is how we convert 1 by quadratic into any one of these forms. Okay, similar manner, the same thing. Now if there is a 1 by root of this, we can use the same method and convert it into this particular form. If the given function is linear by a quadratic or linear function by a root quadratic function, First, you check whether this can be converted into 1 by quadratic. If the numerator, for example, if the numerator is the derivative of the denominator, that means if the question is x square, denominator is x square plus 5x plus 10 dx, and numerator is its derivative 2x plus 5. Then you can see that numerator is the derivative of denominator. So this is your substitution method. When you substitute, this is equal to t, it will be integral dt by t. By substituting, t is equal to denominator x square plus 5x plus 10. You can see 2x plus 5 dx is dt. So the answer will be log mod t. Log mod this function x square plus 5x plus 10. So when the numerator is the derivative of the denominator, we can easily do it by substitution method. If it is not, the derivative is not given, so by a method you have to convert it into that derivative process. How? For example, integral 5x plus 3 suppose divided by root of this type, root of x square plus 4x plus 10 suppose dx comes. So what is to be done is you have to you have to convert numerator into the derivative of the denominator. So for that we write this 5x plus 3 as a into derivative of denominator plus b. A into derivative of denominator plus b. That is a into 2x plus 4 plus b. So 5x plus 3 is equal to this. Then you can give either you can give values or equating the coefficients on both sides, we will get the value of a and b. For example, 5 is the coefficient of x. Here x coefficient of x is 2a. So 2a is equal to 5. That gives you the value of a is 5 by 2. Okay. If you equate the coefficients 4a plus b equal to 3, which gives you the value of b is equal to negative 7. So what we have done is, what is 5x plus 3? We are replacing 5x plus 3 in terms of a and b. So we are changing 5x plus 3 as a into, that means 5 by 2 into 2x plus 4 plus b, that means minus 7 dx by root of x square plus 4x plus 10. So we can write here root of x square plus 4x plus 10 by minus 7 by root of x square plus 4x plus 10 dx. So that means we will change it into two integrals, in which one is dt by root t. Derivative of this is there. Minus 7 times integral 1 by quadratic comes. Root of x square plus 4x plus 10 will be converted. How to convert? By adding x square plus 4x plus 10 should be written as adding and subtracting half coefficient of x. Half coefficient of x is 4. It's half 2. That square should be added and subtracted. And so it is converted into x plus 2 whole square plus 6, that is plus root 6 square dx. Okay, so this is this already dt by root t. So what is the integral? 5 into t raised to 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. So it will be 5 root t. 5 into root of x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7 into, this is 1 by root of x square plus a square. So in place of x you have x plus 2, that's all. So 7 into log modulus x plus means x plus 2 plus root of x square plus a square, that is this, which is the same as the already given x square plus 4. X square plus a square is x square plus 4x plus 10 plus c. Okay, so linear by quadratic or linear by root quadratic have to be treated like this. Linear should be converted into a into derivative of denominator plus b, then change it into two integrals. Okay.